This is the fourth module under this chapter, triangles. In this module, we are going to discuss about areas of similar triangles. Theorem 6.6. This theorem relates the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles with the ratio of their corresponding sides. What it states is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. It means if the given two triangles are ABC and PQR, then area ABC divided by area PQR equal to AB by PQ whole square equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR whole square. What is given is the two triangles ABC and PQR are similar, and we need to prove this. That is, the ratio of the areas is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Given two triangles are ABC and PQR. Let us draw perpendiculars from A to BC and from P to QR. So we have the two perpendiculars AM and PN. Now area ABC, area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into base is BC, into height is AM. Area triangle PQR is half into base is QR into height is PN. Now area ABC, triangle ABC divided by area triangle PQR is equal to half into BC into AM divided by half into QR into PN. Half get cancelled, so what is remaining is BC into AM divided by QR, this is QR into PN. Let us take this equation, this as 1. In triangle ABM and triangle PQN, we have angle B equal to angle Q, angle AMB equal to angle PNQ, because both are 90 degrees. Therefore, third set of angles are also equal. Therefore, triangle ABM is similar with triangle PQN. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, AB by PQ equal to AB by PQ equal to BM by QN equal to AM by PN. Now we have AB, I will write here, AB by PQ equal to AM by PN. AM by PN. Since the two triangles are similar, we have AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Now if you take equation 1, it says BC area triangle ABC divided by area triangle PQR is equal to BC into AM divided by QR into PN. Now BC by QR equal to AB by PQ. This one, BC by QR equal to AB by PQ. So we'll say AB by PQ, then into AM by PN. AM by PN, we said that is also AB by PQ, because here, so we will replace AM by PN also with AB by PQ into AB by PQ. This can be written as AB by PQ whole square. But we know in case of similar triangles, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, that is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, that is equal to AC by PR. Now if you square AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR whole square. Corresponding sides of the similar triangle are in the same ratio. Those ratios, if you square, you get this one. But AB by PQ whole square, we know that is area of ABC divided by area of PQR. So this is the proof that what we need. What it says is ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides of the triangle. Now let us get into solving some problems. Exercise number 1. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC, that is AB is parallel to DC, intersect each other at point O. If AB equal to 2CD, find the ratio of the areas of the triangles AOB and COD. What is given here? ABCD is a trapezium. In that AB is parallel to DC and they intersect at the diagonals intersect at point O, and AB equal to 2 CD. Side AB is 2 times of side CD. Now we have to find out the ratio of, that is area AOB to area COD, that is this area and this area. Now in triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, and angle OBA, this angle equal to this angle OBA is this, angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. Therefore third set of angles are also equal. Anyhow, this is the vertically opposite angles. Therefore triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. Therefore ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So AO by OC equal to AB by CD equal to OB by OD. Now the ratio of the areas of these two triangles, that is area AOB by area COD, this is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Let us take only AB and CD, that is AB by CD whole square. But what is given is AB equal to 2CD. Let us substitute for AB in terms of CD here. So it is 2CD divided by CD whole square. CD cancels, so this is 4 by 1. Therefore area AOB is to area COD is equal to 4:1. That is, area of the triangle AOB is 4 times more than area of triangle COD. Next exercise. In the figure given below, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersects BC at O, show that area ABC by area DBC equal to AO by DO. So what is given? Triangle ABC and DBC are on the same base, nothing else is given. Base ABC and DBC. Now we need to prove that area, this is to prove, now we have to prove that area ABC divided by area DBC is equal to AO by DO. Now let us draw two perpendiculars to BC, one from A and another from D. So AP and DM are the two perpendiculars drawn onto BC. Now area ABC can be written as half into base is BC, into BC into the height is AP. Now area DBC is equal to half into base is the same BC, height is DM. This is 1, this is 2. If you divide 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2 is equal to area ABC divided by area DBC is equal to half into BC into AP divided by half into BC into DM. BC half cancelled, so that is AP by DM. Let us take this as 3. Now in triangle APO and triangle DMO, angle APO equal to angle DMO, reason is 90 degree. Then angle AOP is equal to angle DOM. The reason is that is vertically opposite angles. So third set of angles are equal. Therefore, triangle APO is similar with triangle DMO. Two triangles are similar. The ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, AP by DM equal to PO by MO equal to AO by DO. This is 2. Or you can say that AP by DM is equal to AO by DO. This is 3. Now from 3 is already there, so this is 4, this is 5. So now from 3 and 5, area ABC divided by area DBC is equal to, here we have AP by DM, but we know AP by DM we have proved as AO by DO. Therefore, area ABC divided by area DBC is equal to AO by DO. So we have proved this. Next exercise, if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. What is given here is areas of the two triangles are equal. Let us take triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So given it is area ABC equal to area PQR. We need to prove that triangle ABC is congruent with triangle PQR. And also what is given is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Two triangles are similar and their areas are equal. We need to prove them that they are congruent. Since two triangles are similar, we have AB by PQ equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. This is 1. Now from the second one, that is the areas are equal. So let us take the ratio of the areas. Area ABC divided by area PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square, that is equal to AC by PR whole square. the two areas are equal. So if you divide two equal quantities one by the other, then answer will be 1. So this answer is 1 because area ABC and area PQ are same. Therefore, AB by PQ square equal to 1. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to 1. Therefore, AB is equal to PQ. Similarly, you can prove that BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR. So in these two triangles ABC and PQR, the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent with triangle PQR by the criteria side, side, side. All three sides are corresponding sides are equal. Fourth exercise, D, E, F are respectively the midpoint of the sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of DEF, the middle triangle, and triangle ABC. Area of DEF divided by area of triangle ABC. Now what is given is, in triangle ABC, D, E and F are the midpoints of AB, BC and AC. Therefore, we have DE is parallel to AC, and DE equal to half of AC. This is from midpoint theorem. If we join the midpoints of two sides of the triangle, then the line joining those two midpoints is parallel to the third side and half of the third side. So I can write here as AC equal to 2 times DE. Now since DE is parallel to AC, in triangle BDE and triangle BAC, angle BDE is equal to angle BAC and angle BED is equal to angle BCA. Angle B is common. This is corresponding angle. Therefore, triangle BDE is similar with triangle BAC. If two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas, area BDE by area BAC, this is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Let us take only one side, that is DE and AC. So it is equal to DE divided by AC whole square. That is equal to DE divided by AC. AC is equal to 2DE. 2DE whole square. So DE cancels. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Therefore, area BDE equal to 1 by 4 area BAC. This is 1. Now similarly, we can prove that area CEF equal to 1/4 of area BAC. This is 2, and area ADF is equal to 1/4 of area BAC. This is equal to 3. Now if you add these three areas plus area of DFE, that is equal to area, that is the total area, this plus this plus this plus DF, that is the total area BAC. Therefore area BDE plus area CEF plus area ADF plus area DEF is equal to area BAC. Now this is 1 by 4 area BAC plus 1 by 4 area BAC. I am substituting for all these three, plus 1 by 4 area BAC plus area DF, which we do not know yet, is equal to area BAC. If you add these three, this is 3 by 4 area BAC plus area DEF is equal to area BAC. If you take this one to the other side and subtract from area BAC, 1 area BAC minus 3 by 4 area BAC is 1/4. So this is 1/4 area BAC, that is equal to area DEF. So what we need to find out? Ratio of DF and ABC or BAC. Now bring ABC this side down here to the denominator. Therefore area DEF divided by area BAC, same as ABC, that is equal to 1 by 4. So this is what was required to be proved, and we have proved. The ratio of the area DEF and area BAC or ABC is 1 by 4. Next exercise, prove that ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Here these are the two triangles ABC and PQR, which are similar, and we know that if two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. But here we have to prove that it is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So what is given here is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. These are the two given triangles. We need to prove that area ABC divided by area PQR. Now median of ABC is AD, median of PQR is PS. So this is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians, that is AD by PS whole square. We need to prove this one, that ratio of their areas is equal to the square of the ratio of the medians. When two triangles are similar, we know their corresponding sides are in proportion, that is AB by PQ, that is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC divided by PR. Now D is the midpoint of BC because AD is the median. So BD equal to DC. Same way QS equal to SM. I can write BC as 2BD and QR as 2QS. So now this will become AB divided by PQ is equal to 2BD, BC is 2BD divided by QR, QR is 2QS. 2 cancels. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS. And since triangle ABC and PQR are similar, angle B equal to angle Q. Therefore, now in triangle ABD and PQS, we have AB by PQ equal to BD by QS, and included angles are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar with triangle PQS. The criteria here is side, angle, side. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS. So let us call this as 1. Now in these two triangles, the ratio of their areas, that is area ABC by area PQR equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Let us take only AB and PQ. So AB divided by PQ whole square. But AB by PQ is AD by PS. So this is AD by PS whole square. That is area ABC by area PQR. This is the proof. Last exercise. Prove that area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of the square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. What is given here is ABCD is a square, and AEB is an equilateral triangle. triangle on side AB, and FBD, this is also an equilateral triangle on diagonal BD of square ABCD, on diagonal BD. This is also an equilateral triangle, FBD. Now you need to prove that. To prove, area of the equilateral triangle described on one side of the square is equal to half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. Now area of the triangle, equilateral triangle described on the side, one of the sides of the square, that is area AEB is half of area FBD. We need to prove this one. Let the side of the square be A units. So this is A, this is A. Therefore BD is equal to square root of A square plus A square, that is equal to square root of 2A square, or this is root 2A. That is the diagonal. Now both these triangles are equilateral, so they are similar. Therefore area AEB divided by area FBD, these two are similar triangles. The ratio of their areas is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. What is the side of triangle AEB? That is A. What about triangle FBD? That is root 2A. AA cancels, so this becomes, here is whole square, this becomes 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to half. Now taking this one to the other side, area AEB is equal to half of area FBD. This is the proof.